So in today's practical, that is implementation of network topology using NS2. Okay, NS2 is basically a network simulator which shows you know what is a simulator? You are basically imitating the real world objects. That is called as simulation. Okay, so as in the entire course of computer networks, we all have studied the terms, what are packets, what are frames, how the data gets transmitted and received from a sender to a receiver. In real world, these things happen, but for experimental purpose we have got certain simulators that have been created, and over here, for understanding the sending and receiving of the packets over a network can be visualized over a simulator which is called as network simulator. So in today's lab session, network simulator will be used version 2, and that is why it is called NS2. Okay. So we will be implementing one of the network topologies, to be precise, star topology. We have got different topologies like your mesh topology, ring topology, bus topology, okay, hybrid topology. But in today's practical, which is your last practical for computer networks lab, we will be implementing star topology in NS2 using TCL script. TCL stands for Tool Command Language. Okay. So first I will show you the entire process of running a TCL code, okay, in NS2, and I'll show you how the packets are flowing from one node to the other. It's completely animated. Okay, so we have got something called as NAM. NAM stands for network animator. Okay, so for NS2 it requires Ubuntu. So if you have got Ubuntu, then you can install NS2 in your systems. The process of installation of NS2 is a bit time consuming. Normally our college has got dedicated Ubuntu systems where NS2 is already installed. Okay, and we are, because at home, because of this pandemic, most of them are using Windows operating system. I myself is using a Windows operating system, but your NS2 which is there, it works in Ubuntu. So what I did is I recorded the entire execution of the implementation of network topology in Ubuntu in college. So first I'm going to explain to you the code, how it works. Okay, there is a specific style of writing the code in TCL. Okay, I'll show you how that file is saved in TCL and how you can use that file or call that file. Okay, and finally I'll show you the execution, how the animation takes place. All right, so I'll present my screen. Okay, so I hope the screen is visible to all of you all. So basically, this is the code. Okay, this is the code. I've taken the shortest and the smallest code as I had to give you all a demonstration of the experiment. So I've taken the shortest and the smallest code over here, where I'm going to teach you all how a TCL script is written. Okay, so your NS2 which is there, you require the code to be written in C++ and TCL. TCL stands for your tool command language. Okay, Just have you have studied other programming languages, here TCL also has got a similar concept. Okay, like we need to create an object. All right, we need to create nodes. All right, so there are different functions that are included in this also. So I'll be taking a small example of creating a star topology with the help of TCL. Okay, and executing it in your network simulator 2. So see over here, you require a simple editor. Okay, I have used Notepad++ where we create a simulator object. And what is the syntax? It is set space ns in your square brackets new simulator. Okay, so ns stands for your new simulator. Then the next command is to basically open NAM trace file. NAM stands for network animator. You will come to know when I show you the demonstration. So the command is what? Basically it is set NF. NF is basically your new file open out.namw. Okay, so when you run this code, you will get a pop-up or a window which will open the NAM window, that is network animator window. All right, then you have to basically define a specific procedure. Okay, so we are basically using global keyword where we have got network simulator and the new file which are given the command to be global. And every time when we run the code, we basically need not follow the same path. That is why we use flush trace. So if you see, every time when you run the star topology ka code, what is going to happen? The connection of the main node with the other nodes, it will keep on changing. It is like an animated file. You will come to know when I'll do the execution. Then you have to close the trace file. So the command is close $nf and execute your NAM on the trace file. So पहले क्या होगा? Your NAM output NAM file open होगा. उसके बाद एक कमांड लिखना है, that is this NAM out.nam. तब तुम्हारा कोड execute hoga and you will be seeing the output. Do not worry, when I'll show you the demonstration, you will understand. So this procedure is a standard procedure, okay, in your TCL script. First creating the network simulator, then to open the NAM trace file, you require set NF in your square brackets open out.namw. Clear? Now, as you all know, how does a star topology look? You basically have got one node in the center and you have got other nodes which are connected to this central node. So you have to define the total number of nodes, isn't it? So what I'm going to do in this particular experiment, I am going to create 6 nodes starting from N0 up to N5. So what is the command? Set N0 space in your square brackets $ns. NS stands for your new simulator space node. Clear? So in this manner, I have set up 6 nodes. You can set up more nodes if you want. Okay? Now, you already know nodes are always represented in the form of a circle. We have seen in our theory lectures also. But if you want to change the shape of any node, you can do that. And how it is done? You have to specify the name of the node. So it is dollar symbol N0. Shape square. Default it takes circle, बट अगर आपको पर्सनलाइज करना है then you have to use the shape square. Okay, you can do it for n1, n2, n3, n4, n5. I am only doing it for the central node in a star topology. Now, we all know we have got to create the link between the nodes, isn't it? Nodes which are there, they have to be connected with each other. It can either be simplex link, duplex link, full duplex or half duplex. So in this particular code, to create the link between the nodes, this is the command. Dollar symbol ns stands for your new simulator duplex hyphen link. Okay, now you are trying to create the link between node 0 and node 1. Are you getting my point? Then you have to specify what is the bandwidth, and the bandwidth is how much that I have given, 1 Mbps. And what is this? This 10 ms milliseconds represents the delay. Okay, so and what is this drop tail? After 10 milliseconds delay, still if that particular packet does not get received from the sender to the receiver, you can drop that particular packet. Clear? So I have created the link between N0 to N1, N0 to N2, N0 to N3, N0 to N4 and N0 to N5. 1 Mbps represents the bandwidth. You can give bandwidth of your choice, and at the same time you can give delay of your choice. I have given 10 milliseconds. You can give the delay of your preference. Okay? Now, what is the next part is to create a TCP agent and attach it to node N0, which is my central node. So how we are going to do this? Set TCP 0 in your square brackets new agent / TCP. I know you all are not familiar with the syntax of TCL, but this is how it works. Creating the objects, declaring your variables, how you do it for C, C++ and Java. Okay, this is the process that is followed. So set TCP 0, you are basically creating a TCP agent, and that agent you are attaching it to node N0. Okay. So here, what is the next part? This is the creation of the TCP agent. Set TCP 0 because we need it for node 0. Then dollar symbol TCP 0, you set the class value of this particular TCP agent equal to 1. And you are attaching this agent to node 0. That is why we use the keyword attach hyphen agent to your node 0 से वो किधर attach हो रहा है? Node 1 पे. So node 1, and that is why we have got TCP 0. ऐसे you can attach the agent to any nodes, not necessarily to node 0. Now the next command is to create a TCP sync, a traffic sync if there is a traffic for TCP and attach it to node 3. So we use the keyword sync. Set sync 0 because node 0 से node 3. In your square brackets new agent / यहाँ पे सिर्फ TCP यूज किया था. Now we are using TCP sync. और ये हमें TCP sync agent किसके साथ अटैच करना है? node 3. That is why dollar symbol ns attach agent node 3 लिख रहे हैं हम लोग and sync 0. Clear? Now I have to simply connect the traffic sources with the traffic sync. So I am going to use the keyword connect with your dollar symbol TCP 0 and dollar symbol sync 0. Clear? Then these are the bit rates. CBR stands for constant bit rates. We have studied this variable bit rate, constant bit rate when I was talking about congestion control, if you remember the graphs. So create a constant bitrate traffic source and attach it to TCP0. So this is the command. Set CBR constant bitrate 0, new application traffic CBR. What is the packet size? 500. Interval. This is mentioned in your basically seconds. Clear? 0.01 seconds, which is nothing but your 10 milliseconds. And finally, what you are going to do is CBR0, attach the agent. And what is the agent? It is TCP present at node 0. Clear? Then you can schedule the events for the agents. Starting time is 0.5 and your ending time is 4.5. So start कब होगा 0.5 and end 4.5. ठीक है? Ultimately, after 5 seconds, okay, what is going to happen? The entire procedure of the transfer of packets will come to an end because you have defined to finish this in 5 seconds. And ultimately, you are going to run the simulation for all the instructions that you have furnished on top. So the command is basically dollar symbol ns run. Okay, so this is the command basically that is written in TCL for what? To represent a network topology in NS2. Is that clear? Now what I'm going to do is I'll be showing you the video of the process of execution. Do not worry, the setup for NS2 for your PCs in Ubuntu, uska link also I will provide in your TCOM's WhatsApp group. So there is a video of 4 minutes that I will be showing to you all how to execute this particular code, okay, in NS2. Okay, I hope the screen is visible to you all. Is it visible? Please reply in the chat. TCOM say, okay, great. So just see the video. This is the same code that I have executed in college. Okay. So you can see in the code, I have defined the shape of my center node as square. How I'm creating links, duplex link, 1 MB is the bandwidth, 10 ms is the delay. Attaching TCP agent to node 0 and TCP sync agent for TCP and attaching it to node 3. CBR stands for constant bit rate. So I'll save this and the extension of the file will be .tcl. So file name is star.tcl. TCL stands for tool command language. So now you will go to your terminal and set the path. So my code is present on desktop. So cd space desktop. So what is the command for execution? ns space filename dot tcl. So see over here, you can see your NAM console opened up first. Network Animator console version 1.14. So you can see on top over here, it is mentioned NAM colon out dot NAM. Now you have to basically again type the command on your terminal by minimizing the animator window, and the command is NAM space out dot NAM. So see over here, this is your star topology. You have got different buttons like your rewind button, fast forward button, stop button, play backward and play forward. So I'll click on my play forward button. So you can see over here at the bottom, there is the time line that we have set. Okay, and you can see the time and you can see milliseconds on the top right. See, this is the flow of the packets that is taking place. One more point, see over here, central node, the shape is square, whereas all my other nodes, the default shape taken is circle. So you can scroll your timeline and you can see the flow of packets taking place from N0, N1 and N3. Okay, you can see the layout also. See over here on the right hand side, 2.0 milliseconds. That is nothing but the delay. Okay, I can adjust my delay. On the left hand side, you can see what is the time interval. Okay, and total number of iterations. So this is how you can execute the code for different network topologies in TCL in your NS2 with the help of TCL. Okay. So if you all have got Ubuntu, then you all please download NS2. Okay. If you do not have it, you need not worry. Okay, what we'll be doing is, for this particular experiment, I'll be providing you the soft copy of the code along with the screenshots. But if you have NS2 installed and you are using Ubuntu, then you are requested to please run this code. I'll provide the code in Google Classroom. Okay, I have got more codes also which can be run in TCL. Okay, they are little lengthy. I decided to take a smaller code. Okay, you have got code for Aloha, slotted Aloha, pure Aloha, CSMA. Sliding window also we have. Okay, but because of time constraints, I was not able to take that. Okay, so I took a simple code in your for network topology, specifically star topology. Okay, if anybody of y'all have got Ubuntu and NS2 installed, you can try it for mesh topology and bus topology. It is very simple. Okay,